So I just landed up in Vietnam, taking a transit flight back to Mumbai. Took an airline called VietJet. It was absolutely ass. Thank you. Woo! What is this?
Soup.
Looks healthy, no?
Definitely. Very healthy.
So I bumped into my friend Sasha, who I've known a couple of years ago, and then she didn't recognize me, but I recognized her.
I recognized you, to be fair.
And we chilled and we hung out on the flight, and now we're getting some food. Surprise, surprise, bitches!
Brother! Yo!
Where's Aman?
Aman is
What's
coming.
up, bro? Good to see you. Say hi to the vloggies.
Welcome
Back
back.
to Cali after like 7-8 months, bro. Feels good to be back.
Welcome back.
We're gonna record some bangers here today with my boy Navi.
What's up? Welcome
Peace.
back
Good
home.
to see you, bro.
Welcome back home.
Missed you.
I missed you a lot.
How's life? I'm looking good.
Yeah, you're looking
Looking good.
fucking
Yeah. Pumped a
nice.
little bit.
Yeah.
So I'm recording the song that I'm singing at Vedant and Tejal's wedding. I've flown down all the way from Los Angeles, and just as surprising for the wedding, I've been talking to Tejal for the past 2 weeks. She's been sending me voice notes, and I've been trying to put it onto a song, and we're finally recording it in one day. Although my throat is absolutely fucked. I've been like farting too much, and it's like really sore. But somehow we're getting this done. I've had like 50 cups of hot water since yesterday just to come here and do this. But yeah, man, I hope he likes it. He's actually not talking to me. It was my birthday day before. He didn't even wish me because he thinks I'm not coming, and so he's just gonna get the surprise of his life tomorrow. Because once in a life, you find love that you can't deny. Time has a way. Guess our stars are aligned just right. With you. Damn, bro, we all think they're gonna flip. Sick. Thank you. So you just come for the sound check for the wedding. Hey. Oh yeah.
How much you guys for?
$900.
Fuck steep, dude.
Yeah. Say hello.
What's up?
Say hi, Yabs. But cruise. Back with the gang. Oh, the boys are back. The boys are back. The boys are back. The boys are back. No. What is this? My vlog camera. Ayud. Say what's up, brother? Who's this? Let's get him on the video. Are where's no one? Is it? Oh, it is! Dark Dalal! What's up, brother?
How are you making this view?
So I got to vlog everything now.
Can I say good morning?
So my friend Dave is expecting his first child in 2 weeks. Can you believe that? And I've known him since we were like children.
We got a little Yamin Lamau. Yamin Lamau. Bottom Madrid jersey, Barcelona.
Good morning from
Good morning, sorry, good evening and good night from Mumbai.
Actually, good morning to Mumbai sounds cool.
Okay, good morning. I'll see that after tonight. Good morning.
At 5 a.m.
5, 7 a.m. We're officially entering the first function of the wedding with Arshia and Achal. And Arshia's gonna basically take the video of me saying hi to Vedant, and he's been really pissed with me because he thinks I wasn't attending. So it's gonna be a really big surprise for him, and I can't wait to get his reaction. And she's gonna be the cameraman.
It'll be fun.
Yeah. See you soon, Birkat. Love you. Okay, game day, game time.
Is it this one?
Yeah. First row, come. Blessings for all the crosses you've given me. I'm gonna give you a heart blessing, bro. And say hi to the vlog, bro.
Yo, DJ, cut the music. This one's to my brother Vedant, who didn't know I was going to be here tonight, but I'm here to surprise you. All the way from LA! Tejal, welcome to the family, we absolutely adore you. DJ, let's get it. That you can time has a way. Guess our stars are aligned, just right. They know we gotta keep this faith. All that you do is so much great. How lucky am I to have you in the first place? How lucky am I to have you in the first place? Once in a life, you find out that you can't deny. Has a way. Guess our stars are aligned, it's right. Thank you.
Now it's live.
Hi, so.
Say hi to the vloggers.
He's on it again. Honey.
We're looking at the Indian Zendaya, who's even prettier than the real Zendaya.
I was like following up with Nirvan.
Nirvan, say hi to the vloggers.
We got Sohail Nathani in the pocket, huh?
Salam namaste. Har har. Yes. She was the one who made me buy this camera.
I'm the trendsetter, guys. The trendsetter.
What's up, vlog?
The hour, we need to get him married. We're sitting in his house and we're going to roast him. Ria, what have you, and Nirvan actually. Ria, what have you planned? Tell us about, tell the vlog about the roast. Huh?
What is this shit, dude?
It's a vlog.
If you want to sit with that hat, you're going to get roasted though.
I want to get roasted. Say what up for the vlog.
And milk.
What up, bro? What up for the vlog?
What up for the vlog?
Now an Indian shadi is done.
Yeah.
No, but also I want to take back the violence joke. I don't think it's fair to say that because also you're an art of living spiritual man. You can't be violent. You have people for that.
Your life is too
And speaking of people he's employed, I'm very happy to be here at minimum wage. No, I do. I feel like a working class hero, honestly. The guy doesn't fool us. Yeah. No, but I do. I generally feel
Come, Arsha, come to the first floor.
because my family really needs me.
Come to the first floor.
But they're also really worried I might never make it back alive, and that's like a thing. I'm not sure if I'll go happy today, or I'll please you and we'll go home happy, or if we don't go home at all, and we'll be rotting in your basement like the other people you call. I'm sure there's a basement.
Tonight is going to be Vedant's second biggest orgasm. The first one was when Ram Mandir was inaugurated. The
When
first one was when Ram Mandir was inaugurated. Vedant is so into the art of living that I think he can borrow one Shri from Ravi Shankar.
Oh shit, dude.
If you had to say something about Vedant.
I mean, you put me on the spot, but
He looks like he's gonna pass out.
I I feel like I made a mistake by saying 5 minutes because you've like diverted just 5 minutes. I think we should like amortize it like the whole group. I'm picking you guys up, like you guys just like. But listen, I want to say it like Vedant that like he's like the most fantastic guy. I mean,
You're supposed to roast him.
17, 18, he's like fucking wired my head out like a billion times, but I'm still here like next to him. And we're like entangled in like a tango dance. And, like,
It's got to gay too first. That's me as a homosexual. Genuinely, thank you for taking it on the chin. Where else would you take it? You are like such a jovial person. Genuinely, because like from the night we met you at the comedy show to you opening the doors for us and coming and doing this, and hopefully letting us go after this.
He'll be tied in the basement.
Yeah. So I think
No, but some more about.
Yeah, Nirvan. Jodha Akbar.
Not marriage, you don't say anything more about it.
No, but you take it really well. That's what. They said Nirvan is very good at taking it. That's
Advait, Aryaman, what are you all eating?
I'm having some samosa chaat.
Samosi. Want some whiskey?
Yo!
You want some whiskey? The flask. It's coming. 2 minutes. Whiskey.
What's in it? Don't ask him.
What's in it? Whiskey.
He finishes.
Say hi. Say hi to Los Angeles. T. Hello. Aneska, say hi. To my vlog. Los Angeles. T. Having apple juice. Because we unfortunately can't drink in Birla House, so we're gonna have apple juice and water.
Make the camera smell it.
Oh, it's good.
Yeah. Suraj has it, bro. He's his in-call service. Suraj got promoted.
Yeah, it's
Shloka was like, Shloka, what's it called?
Our boy Rizwan has teared up on stage for the first time in his life. Huh? I'm gonna make a shit ton of money with this.
That roast guy was roasting, said only your mom will watch this, no one else will watch it.
You'll see in 2-3 years. You laugh now and then see later.
Where's the buck?
Uncle, say